To perform first setup on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, we'll need to power on our device. I've already done that, my phone is powered on. If you want to power it, just click and hold this button right here until you feel vibration. And now we can continue with the setup. So click on this button right here and then choose a language that you want to use for phone navigation. In this case, we're gonna go for this one right here, and then we can proceed to the next step. You will need to agree to everything that is available for the review. If you want, you can read through it. I'm not gonna read through it, I'm just gonna skip it and move to the next step. Then there's easy setup that allows you to transfer your other previous device to this one. You can use Galaxy or Android device, iPhone or iPad, or select option to set it up manually as brand new phone. I'm gonna do the third option right here, and then we can connect our phone with the Wi-Fi network. I'm gonna do that, so let's pick the network right here, and then I'm gonna enter a password for it off screen. We entered password, we can move to the next step, and then we'll need to wait just a few seconds and again restart our device for the service provider setup. So this will take again a few moments. Okay, we can also connect our device with the mobile network, which means the SIM card. You can also use eSIM if you want, or plug it in on the bottom side of this phone. In this case, I don't have a SIM card, so I'm gonna skip it. Of course, if you want to, then you can go ahead and plug in that card. Then we can copy apps and data from our previous phone, and as I said, I want to set up this device as brand new. If you want, you can go ahead and click on next and then follow the guidelines on your screen, and in this case I'm gonna select don't copy and just move through it. You can also log into the Google services. Just enter a email address and password for your Google account. In this case, I'm gonna skip it. I don't want to do it right now. I'm gonna add my Google account later. You can also do it if you like. Here you can set up a password for your phone. In this case, I'm gonna go for a pattern, and then we can enter a pattern or password that we want to use to unlock our phone. After that, there's Google services still that you can enable or disable. If you want, you can read through them and turn on and off most of the options, and then click on accept on the bottom. Here you can choose a search engine that you will use to search the internet. In this case, I'm going to go for Google and then set it as default. From there, you can also log into your Samsung account. If you have one, you can also create one. Or if you want, you can skip it by clicking on forgot password or don't have account, and then set up later in settings. Scroll all the way down and click on skip. Then there's Samsung services similar to Google services. You can manage them however you like and then click on agree. After that, you can select display mode to light or dark, choose whichever one you like and proceed to the next step. You can download recommended apps if you want. In this case, actually, I would like to unselect them. All set up, we can go to home, and that way the setup for this phone is finished. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.